Let's go ahead and learn how to add mixed fractions with unlike denominators. Our lesson objectives are to go through the steps that we follow to add mixed fractions with unlike denominators, and then after that we're going to walk through some examples. So let's go ahead and take a look at what steps we need to follow. We're going to go through each of the steps and then we'll look at some examples later on. So the first thing we want to do is to add the whole numbers together, which is because remember, a mixed fraction has a whole number and a proper fraction. So we're going to add the whole numbers together. And then for the fractions, we're going to have different denominators. So we need to find the least common multiple or the least common multiple of the denominators. And after we're done with that, we will be rewriting each of the fractions with the new denominator, and follow all the other steps we follow for fractions generally, which is we want to make sure we add just the numerators together and we do not do anything with the denominators, and simplify the fraction we get. So let's see how we're going to do that with some examples. I have about 4 examples that we'll be walking through. So we have 2 1/6 plus 1 1/4. So the first thing we're going to do is add the whole numbers together. So you got 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1, that's going to give us 3. We have 4 and 6 as our denominators. And we're going to find the least common multiple of each of these two numbers, which is we have 4 is 2 squared, 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. And we get this by using the factor trees. If you have any questions on that, there's a lesson on that. And then we have our least common multiple is going to give us 2 multiplied by 3. We're going to grab each of the factors and then we get the greatest exponent for each one. So this is going to give us 4 times 3. So now we have 1/6. We're going to have to convert this to a fraction with a denominator of 12. So we have to divide 12 by 6. Let's go ahead, write this. This is 12. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we're multiplying 6 by 2. We're also multiplying 1 by 2. So this is 2/12. And then we have 1/4. We're going to multiply 4 by 3 to get us to 12. And then we also have to multiply 1 by 3 to get us to 12. So we have 3/12. So this, you now have 3, and then you have 2/12 plus 3/12. So this is going to give us, we have our whole number. We still have 12 as our denominator, and then we have 2 plus 3. This is going to give us 3. 2 plus 3 is 5/12. That's the answer to that problem. The next question we have here is, what is the sum of, or what is the value of 4 3/8 plus 2 1/3? First thing we're going to do, we're going to add our whole numbers. 4 plus 2 is going to give us 6. Now we have 3 and 8 as our denominators. Let's go ahead and get the least common multiple for each one for this set of numbers. We have 3 to the power of 1 and 2 to the power of 3. So our LCM here is going to give us, we have 2 and 3 as our factors. We get the greatest exponent. So this is going to give us 8 multiplied by 3 equal to 24. So now let's take a look at 3/8. We need to get to 24, so we multiply 8 by 3. 8 multiplied by 3, and then we multiply 3 also by 3. This is going to give us 9/24. Now we have 1/3. We have to multiply 3 by 8. And we also multiply 1 by 8. This is going to give us 8/24. Now our fractions are going to be 9 over 24 plus 8 over 24. So this is going to give us, we still have our 6 as our whole number. Common denominator is 24. And then we have 9 plus 8. So this is going to give us 6. And then we have 17 over 24. So that's our value, our sum. Next question, we have 1 4 over 9 plus 1 1 over 6. 1 plus 1 is going to give us 2. And now we have 6 and 9. Let's go ahead and try to get the value of this. So we have 2 multiplied by 3. And here we have 3 squared. So our LCM is going to give us 2. We have 2 and 3. Greatest exponent for each one. So this is going to give us 2 multiplied by 9, which is 18. So now we need to express 4 over 9 and 1 over 6 as fractions with a denominator of 18. So 4 over 9, we're going to multiply 9 by 2 and then 4 by 2. So this is going to give us 8 over 18. And then we have 1 over 6. We're going to convert this to a fraction with a denominator of 18. We multiply 6 by 3. So we have to multiply 1 by 3 as well. So this is 3 over 18. So now we have 2, 8 over 18 plus 3 over 18. So we still have 2 as our whole number. 18 is still our denominator. And then we just have 8 plus 3. So this is going to give us 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. Our denominator is 18. Now our final example, we have 3 7 over 11 plus 5 1 over 9. First thing we're going to do, 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is going to give us 8. So let's go ahead and find the least common multiple of 11 and 9. So we have 9, we have 11. 9 is 3 squared. 11 is 11 to the power of 1. And our LCM is going to be 3 and 11 as our factors. And we use the greatest exponent. So this is going to give us 9 multiplied by 11, which is equal to 99. And so we have 7 over 11. We're going to have to multiply that by 9. So we multiply 7 by 9 as well. 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. 11 multiplied by 9 is 99. 1 over 9. We're going to have to multiply 9 by 11 to get to 99. So we multiply 1 by 11 as well. So this is 11 over 99. So now our fractions now are 63 over 99 plus 11 over 99. So we still have 8 as our whole number. 99 is still our denominator. So we just add our numerators together. So this is going to give us 8 whole number, 74 over 99.